Hello, friends. Welcome to Frustration Friday. Happy Friday. I hope everybody had a good week. Yeah. I see we have some people in chat. Always good. No thing goes to spooky. Hexorcism 666. I love your name. Hard box is hard. It is. Selfish Giraffe says, how about an insane box? We tried an insane box once, and the only reason we got through it was because I kind of cheesed everything. So yeah, it was kind of funny. I think a hard is fine for now. Yeah, Ipsec does insane boxes. I mean, he does all of them, but yeah, it takes a while. It's not very good for stream content, to be honest with you. By the way, if you hear some background noise, it's unfortunately my AC, because for some reason we are having a kind of heat wave right now, so it's very hot, and it gets very hot in this office unless I have the AC on. Anyway, how was everyone's week? Hopefully good. Let's start Stream Raiders. And, let's do this one. Here you go, guys. I'm just gonna upgrade a few units. We'll give people. It says we only have 13 viewers, so we'll give people a few minutes to join. How's everyone's week gone? Hopefully good. Mine has been eventful. I found I've been on a web app test all week, and earlier today I found that pretty much any user could update any other user. So that was fun. Demoing that to the customer. Yeah. You could even do it cross-tenant, so it wasn't just users within the same organization. So it's a pretty bad vulnerability. It just goes to show they're still out there. Access control vulnerabilities are just out of this world. There's a reason that it's rated number 1 in OWASP top 10 as of 2021. Yeah. Access control is hard. Okay. Well, we have some options, chat. We can... I mean, really have 2 options. Try hack me or hack the box. I guess Proving Grounds, technically. Hey, Enigma. But I presume hack the box or try hack me is probably the better option. Either way, hard boxes are hard, so it's going to be difficult. We'll have a poll. Hack the box, try hack me. Screw it, we'll do Proving Grounds as well. There you go. You got 2 minutes to vote. Now bear in mind, hack the box hards are ridiculous. So I don't know. We'll do whatever, but hack the box is just another thing. Hey, who was Sin? That's correct, Eddie. We cannot call it Frustration Friday without some frustration. I am wearing the infamous t-shirt, which I forget which box it was. I think it was Bank at Hack the Box. Where it took like 4 hours because the stupid cross-site scripting vulnerability was so weird. Anyway, we finally got it. Oh, Nota. Yes, I was doing Nota yesterday. I've got pretty far on Nota. I'll probably resume it this weekend. It's an interesting box. It'll be good to do when it's retired. I take it you've got past the first bit without giving anything away, obviously, because it's not retired. No problem, Eddie. You're welcome. I made the buffer overflow room. God, years ago now. How's Hack the Box compared to Proving Grounds? More professional. It looks like Proving Grounds won. So, I guess here we go. Proving Grounds is going to be a lot of trolls, I feel. I think I need to connect with VPN, don't I, first? Yeah. Okay. So, okay, get to work is intermediate, right? So we need to try harder. Okay. Well, here we go. We have 5 options. So I guess we'll just do a poll with all these 5 options in it. Seeing as we don't need any suggestions. Which box? Okay, so Insanity Hosting, Power Grid, Glasgow Smile, in 3, and Git root. Alright, there you go, another 2 minutes. Right, that's what I like about the retired Hack the Box and Try Hack Me. Retired Hack the Box have a bunch of tags, and Try Hack Me, usually the authors of the boxes tag them, so it's kind of nice. But so Proving Grounds is pretty much all Vuln Hub boxes, I'm pretty sure. Because obviously Offensive Security bought Vuln Hub a few years ago. So I don't know. I've never done a Proving Grounds hard box, so this is going to be a first. So chat's going to have to help. We've done hard Hack the Box, we've done hard Try Hack Me. I have a feeling hard Proving Grounds are just going to be trolls. But we shall see. We'll run all the recon at it and see what happens. Also, we only have 3 hours, which... So, hopefully we can do them in 3 hours? I don't... Otherwise I may have to subscribe. What's this? How do I buy more? $19 a month. Basically, this stream could cost me $19. Come on. InsanityHosting is currently winning, and it won. Okay. This is being very, very slow. Alright, Insanity Hosting started up. Alright, we will create a directory. I guess we'll give it a few minutes to boot as well. We have an IP address though. Let's go and set up. Okay, there's the IP address. They are Linux boxes, so they shouldn't take too long to boot up. Oh, I didn't, hang on. I need to open up Burp. Okay. Alright. I think that's probably long enough. Let's see what happens. We'll open up results. I forgot how we did this again. I need to edit this. Here's the style, right? I want to make this bigger. So Atom project view style. Hey, just a guy. There we go. Atom, open your style sheet. Okay. So I guess. Yeah, it must be this one. Let's close it and open it again. There we go, that worked. Let's do it again then. We'll put it up to 16. Oh, nice. It just refreshes now. Okay. No, I don't want to consent to that. So, what do we have? We have Nmap. Sorry, Nmap, we have FTP. We... Apparently login is FTP, which I don't think makes any sense. Let's search this one, this version of FTP. What machine are we doing? Oh, good question. We're doing Insanity Hosting on Proving Grounds. I should change the subject, shouldn't I? Proving Grounds. Insanity Hosting. Actually, I think it's all one word. Let's have a look at this version. So we're going to do search exploit. I mean, so there's a denial of service, which is no help whatsoever. Okay, we'll come back to that. We have SSH, we can SSH in with a password. Okay. And curl. Here we go. Alright, so we'll look. There seems to be a few things. Look, there's a PHP-MyAdmin, monitoring, webmail. So I imagine this is the way in. So let's go. I should probably do FTP. Did this just dial me? No, FTP 21. FTP user question mark. We'll research that in a minute. HTTP 80. Okay. Is this the output from AutoRecon? Yes. Are you saying you've never used AutoRecon before, Just a Guy? How many streams of mine have you been in? So I feel like we should let's just LSD. No LSD. Okay, wait. Inside so when you run AutoRecon, I ran it within this directory. Creates a results folder. Because it's multi-threaded, it also creates supports multiple hosts. It will create a folder for the host that was scanned. So in this case, it's this one. Then you have an exploit directory, which is blank, but that's where you put your exploits. There's a loot directory, which again is blank because that's where you put your loot. There's a report directory, which has a local file, local.txt, where you can put your local flag. Again, this was designed for the OCP exam, right? So local.txt, proof.txt. The notes is generated. Report. Notes is generated, and pretty much you're given a line per service, so you can type your notes there. If you want to, that's entirely optional. And then screenshots is just an empty directory. You put screenshots in. But the best directory is the scans directory. So you have commands.log, which is a list of all the commands AutoRecon ever ran against this host, right? So if we look at this, right? So these first three are the enumeration scans. Actually, the first two, sorry. The port scans, initial port scans, and then you got that Feroxbuster, curl, whatweb, blah blah blah. Then you have the full TCP MAT scan that we ran. Manual commands contains optional manual commands that you run. Patterns contains any patterns which were matched according to the log. In this case, it matched the pattern that identifies the HTTP server. All right. So we could probably actually put this information in there. There you go. Okay. So let's go to the site. Because again, time is of the essence. Okay. So we have a domain. Oops. Don't want to do that. InsanityHosting.vm. So we'll add that to our notes. Do domains. Suppose I should just do banner. We will look at the page source now. I'm just looking out for anything interesting. These links go nowhere. Monitoring, there you go. So there's the link that we found through Buster. And there's a few JavaScript libraries. We can dive into that if we don't find anything else. I think that's it. Okay, so we have a username and password. Try and find out the software here, I guess. So let's just add this to our notes. Locations. Okay, so look in the main.css. Maybe there'll be a like some kind of title. I don't think so. Util. Oh, it's main again. Wow. What an awful freaking CSS file that is. Okay, username, password. You can go to main.js. Seems to just load jQuery, I think. Yeah. Okay. This may be a custom site. Let's go back to Buster. We obviously don't care about these 403s. We do care about 200s though. So actually, we care about anything that doesn't start with a 4. So I'll just do starts with not 4. And then we can scroll down. So these are all the images. Don't care about those. There's a data directory, which may just store, may just be JavaScript or something. No. Okay, we have a version of something, an empty file that's not empty. But that's 1.14.0. Okay, hang on. Whatever that version is, I don't know. Fonts, don't care about images, don't care about JS. We've already got monitoring. We have this news site. Oh, hang on, license. License might be interesting. No. Just a Creative Commons license, presumably. Okay, monitoring we already saw. That's just a login page. We'll brute force that in a minute if we don't find anything else. News powered by Bloodit. We'll just put that in there. This doesn't look like WordPress. Where was the powered by? What is that green application? This one? This is just Atom. This is my favorite text editor. Because you can load projects and click through. You can single click to just temporarily open something. You see this Buster is open now, but if I click here, it closes. If I want to open it permanently, I just double click. And it goes from italics, and then if I click here again, it'll load another one. So that's why I like this. Where was the powered by? Powered by. There we go. So this. Atom, yeah, atom.io is the website. Yeah, hackable text editor. Very, very hackable. Okay, so I'm going to put a note here that it's powered by this. So that's something we can look into. We're just doing initial enumeration right now. Okay, PHP-My-Admin, I know what PHP-My-Admin is, but let's see if it's at least configured with the login. It is. Okay, so we'll do this. And then we have PHP info, which is probably just literally a PHP info page. We can search for the word password and see if there's anything. Doesn't look like there is. Pass maybe. Well, we got this, but we can always come back to that if we need info at all. And then we have the webmail, I think, right? Did I just delete? Yeah, I did. And we have this webmail. Which is squirrel mail. Hooray, okay. So let's squirrel mail 1422. So, I mean, let's just check up on that. That seems like the obvious thing. Search exploit squirrel 1422. Okay. Yeah, so let's have a look at this exploit. So we'll go into the exploit directory and we'll do search exploit -m for mirror, select number, paste it, and all this does is it's going to copy the file into the current directory. So you'll notice here's a tip, right? This squirrel mail less than 1422, right? Which we're equal to 1422. You should still look, because sometimes exploitdb is really crap at this. And when they do a less than, they actually mean less than or equals. And so once I copied this exploit and opened it, first thing I see, less than or equal to 1423. So actually, this even goes above 1422. Is Notion safe to take security notes? I mean, probably it's as safe as any kind of cloud service, by which I mean absolutely not. Don't stick passwords in it. Like, it's not encrypted. It requires user credentials. So, we're gonna have to get some user credentials. Now, luckily, we do have an email, which we found. This one. So, who wants to bet that we can just do something like this? Now, the question is, does Squirrel Mail use the email address or just the first bit? Like, does it use hello@insanityhosting.vm or just hello? I guess we can Google that. Mail using. Username is the email address. This guy says. Oh, hang on. System users must log in with a user. So it could be both. Let's go with the email address first. That seems like the most obvious. Is default login account. Hang on. I mean, screw it. Let's just do both. So we're gonna go to book. And we're gonna go intruder. Clear everything. Add that. Payloads. We'll go for runtime file. And then we'll find a decent password list. Let's just do this top 1,000. Even though, oh no, approximately 510. Okay. The next thing we need to do, I don't want to make an unmodified baseline request, but I do want to extract some information. In particular, I want to extract this bit, so we know if it worked or not. Okay. Let's try it. Well, this might take a while. What else is happening? Okay, so Water Recon finished. Didn't find any other ports. It did not find any other directories either. Yeah, I extracted the error message. Battles ready to begin. Okay. We'll do Stream Raiders. Well, the only reason I'm doing user enumeration right now is because Squirrel Mail has a known RCE in that version that requires the email address. Also, if it had an SQL injection in that version, I guarantee it would be on exploit.db. No thing, well done. Let's do this. I mean, it's still going, so at least it's doing something. The other thing we could try was that FTP account. So it said... It was weird, but Nmap said logged in as FTP. But I don't know if that actually did anything. So if we FTP here... FTP... Login successful. Interesting. How can I place a unit in this game? If you click on the link, the battle link, and then log in using your Twitch account, you should be able to place a unit every 5 minutes. So what's interesting is it seems to be connecting to this. We have EPSV. That's... Oh, hang on. Is this my IP? No, it's not. Let's Google this. Try using passive. So exit. Passive. I was still thinking. I mean, it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Let's have a look and see if Intruder found anything. I doubt it. It's only got through 173-ish. So the question is, do we keep doing this? Or do we try... We can always pause this attack, and we can try just using the username. Which is just hello. Let's try this one. So it's not available remote server time date. Well, to be fair, these are just commands in our FTP club. Hey Al, how's the night shift going? Okay. I guess we didn't look at the source code. Maybe they're revealing anything there. No. We have a few things. Honestly, we could try we could try getting into this, but I don't know what this service is or what usernames there are. If we do go back here, Hammy? It's Hammy. Well, I'm not using Google Lens. What does Hammy mean? This, Al, is InsanityHosting. It's a hard proving grounds box. No, Hanny, not Hanny. Oh, it is Hammy. Okay, Hammy me. Yeah, I mean, we could just literally try admin password, admin 123456. Oh, hang on. Special thank you to Otis, who led the team. Okay, so actually there may be Otis, maybe his username. We didn't try this blue dit, so let's search this first. Search exploit. Okay. Is there a version number? There is 3.13.1. So we can. Yeah. 3.13.1. So there's an authentication brute force bypass. I mean, let's, I guess, just check this out. Because this is a, yeah, 3-9. No. So this won't be this. Yeah, these won't be fixed. This one will be, but I don't know if it's even relevant. Search exploit -m. Well, there's a login page. Yeah, I can put the site in a minute. Let's just go to the login now. Okay, so we have another login. So, all right. So I will add. Okay, this to so actually InsanityHosting.vm. Okay. Where am I doing? Yeah. I need this. Sudo vim host. And we'll do InsanityHosting.vm and InsanityHosting. And then I think this should work. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to DEFCON. Okay. Alright, I feel like, yeah. I feel like we need to brute force Otis's password instead. Now the question is, does this token change? It does. No. Yeah, it does. But does it matter is the other question, I guess. Great. So this Otis, yes, it's gonna be tricky. Unless I delete all the cookies? Is that, oh, hang on. If I delete all the cookies, what happens? No. Oh boy. So the problem is this cross-site request forgery token just changes each time. Okay. I'm just trying various ones. Oh my god, that was so freaking tantalizingly long. I thought we got it would let me in. Yeah, the problem with this box is just the sheer amount of stuff. Oh my god, I don't want... Unless there, I guess we could try for a blooded default password. Okay. Default username for Bluetooth is admin. Or you need name at mail for the username. Okay. I mean, I guess we could try this. I guess not. Is this just going to be a box where we brute force everything? I have a sneaking suspicion it is now. Because we have tons of users now. Like, we have an admin user, we have Otis. Oh my goodness. How would you do that? Dismiss. So, admin, Otis. But we can't brute force this. At least I'm pretty sure we can't. Because the if we look here, this token changes every single time. And if you try and if I try and submit an old token, we get it moved permanently instead of a 200. So this doesn't seem like it's brute forceable in the easy sense. We could technically do it. We would just have to track this what was it? The CSRF token here. Oh boy, what else have we got? I mean, the thing is, like, if there was injection on those fields, we would have seen it here. I feel like. We can try. Copy. Let's just try this. Just for the sake of argument, put this in. Squirrel mail again. Squirrel mail is a common project. If there was an SQL injection in this field, we would know that. I think this box is just going to be difficult because, like, there's so many things we could try. We could try Otis at InsanityHosting. .vm here, right? Any additional? I mean, yeah, we could technically debus these, so that might be a good thing to do, actually. So let's do this. Luckily, we know there's lots of stuff, but there's only one thing related to that one version. So let's do GoBuster. And we'll just do PHP. Oh, why did that copy? Copy? Paste. So we'll do news.txt and we'll just look for PHP files. Hope that worked. Okay, we got git logs maybe. No, we don't. We already found the admin directory. What the fuck is /0? Oh, I think this is just the pages. So /0, I'm guessing, goes to this. We have a CGI bin. I guess we could try it. Apparently not. Okay. Install.php is interesting. Yeah, already installed. Okay. Alright, so I mean we'll leave this running. We can try. We can launch another one against this monitoring app. The box doesn't seem too unstable. So we'll do GoBuster. Change this to monitoring. See if that happens. Okay, we got a robot.txt here. Which is just blank, okay. The welcome we already found. Settings, maybe. Oops. Yes, the problem is... Okay, well we have a settings config file we can't read because obviously it's... You know, it's PHP, so it's not going to show up anything. But maybe if we find another file we can read that, or we can make a note of it for later. I did it on /news. What did I do on /news? Because Smarty? No, why does it always copy the extra character? Alright, let's see what that was. Alright, so these are templates. Which might be interesting again. Average time for a general pen test on web apps. Entirely depends on the web app and how much the customer's willing to pay. I would say most web apps, you'll get like 5 days. More complicated ones, you should really get 10 or more. But honestly, like for a lot of apps, we just don't get enough time. Try the vendor, I guess. Right, it's just going to be, yeah, CSS and JavaScript, presumably. So either this is a brute forcing crazy box, or we need to find something that we're just missing. I guess I should have searched for TXT maybe as well. I did try Otis on monitoring, but the problem is we don't have Otis's password. So like Otis password. Again, it's slow because we're hammering the network right now. Like, I mean, you could try. We try a bunch of things, but Otis 1 2 3 4 5 6. Where is the password.txt file? Oh, yeah, exactly. Oh my god, that was it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Holy crap. Wow. That was literally just chance that we got that. Okay. We're in business. I'm gonna put credentials monitoring Otis 1 2 3 4 5 6. I guess that gets me I'm in.
I'm in.
I guess I can cancel these now. We're in something. Okay. I don't want to click that power button. Oh, that's the logout. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay. Below the servers you have set to monitor. If the server is down, we will email you a notification along with a report of downtime. Okay. So I guess actually now the question is, can we go? I mean, can we use Otis 1 2 3 4 5 6 here? No. Can we use it on his email? Where was email? It was webmail. So I suppose we should try Otis 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's his email. Okay. So we'll do another webmail Otis 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't suppose it can be his SSH password as well. Should we try and go for that? It's not gonna work, is it? But we'll try it. Otis at, come on, Poppy. No. But interestingly, this account is currently not available. Okay, so it said it emailed us a copy of the thing if the server is down. So I guess let's just we'll put a test there. IP address. I mean, we'll just do one that doesn't exist, I guess. Well, I guess we could just do what? Well, let's just try 10 10 10 10 and see what happens. Okay. Yeah, we can just. It looks like it checks every minute. Well, my IP is up. I want to see what happens. So it's only going to send a report, right, to my email if it's down. So putting my IP is not going to work. I just want to see what the report contains, because the report might be the way in. There we go. Okay. So now my question is, can we do something like template injection? Because we found these, right? No, where did we find the templates? There were some templates. It was Smarty. Yeah, monitoring Smarty. So yeah, Smarty is a PHP template engine. Okay, it didn't work. I mean, I guess we could just go straight for Smarty template injection. Let's just see if we can. Where's Smarty? Come on. There we go. I guess we can try that. Okay, so that was still doing that one, so we're gonna have to wait for 7:06. Meanwhile, we can do a battle. But hey, progress. Okay. Well done, no thing, and particle de Dieu. Start the battle. I'm going to use a rogue. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Refresh this page. We get a warning. No. Interesting. So now I guess, yeah, we'll try, we'll do... We'll try... Ton 0, and then ip.source host equals this. Obviously, we can take out that. Okay. So let's put my IP address. So we'll actually go back. I'll modify the one that's currently saying it's down. IP. That. Okay, so that was just me. These are all the HTTP requests. That's true, we do have an RC from Squirrel Mill. I wonder... We should try that. and they just do a ping. See, there's a ping. Okay. Yeah, okay, so hang on. What first let's try this. I'm completely losing the plot here. Right, results. Exploits. 4-1. Okay, so I'm just reading this. Okay. Select payload, remote code execution. Okay, so actually just gives us a reverse shell, I guess. So let's do... no. What's the usage? Right, so it needs the path to Squirrel Mill. So it needs that. Okay, Otis. It was just Otis, right? I can't remember if it was Otis or... No, it was just Otis. So it doesn't look like that one works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm gonna close Wireshark so it doesn't crash everything again. Let's try again, I guess. Otis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So it went wrong in the send mail. Let's have a look at the exploit again. So I'm just going to scroll down. We'll see what happens. Upload config. So it just attaches something in the temp directory. Do we still have this? We don't. Okay. How does it... Oh, hang on. Does this even exist anymore? Alright. Alright, let's just try and do it manually. It looks like we compose and do an attachment and go to Proving Grounds, InsanityHosting, this. Add. Could not move copy file, file not attached. Let's just try doing an image. No. Alright, so this is probably nuked just because you can't upload, you can't attach things. Okay. But I have an idea. What if... Because, remember, it pings the IP address, right? So what happens if we do some command injection? Like, can we just do something Can we just do like curl? Set up a monitor. So if we tail guess I should check if it's still up. It is, okay. But it's not tailing for some reason. Oh, it's the error log, that's why. Okay, that's good business. Okay. So, what happens if we save now? And I guess wait for 7:15. And see what happens. I don't think the IP for I don't think the IP does work for injection. No, we can try it though in a minute. We tried it here. Oh no, we didn't. No. Okay, so that didn't do anything. One thing we could just try is doing something like this. Well, actually, more something like this. So this is just going to be bash injection. So if I do, like, if I was to do ping dash C4 this, yeah, technically we get a get request, and this might work even if they're doing quotes. It does. It works even if they do quotes. So we'll see. I guess we could try a bunch of them though. Let's see. Oops. You can even try doing something like page equals new. Yeah, actually, that's a good point. We could do something like 127.0.0.1. Actually, you know what we could try? We could confirm command injection by seeing if put a semicolon will show us as up. Yeah, meanwhile, we could try and do that, I guess. So can we do error? Can we do something like dot slash dot slash? So the question is this just like new.php? No. I think this may just be a different thing. Yeah, we're not getting any. We don't know if they're filtering. Let's try pipes, yeah. So 127001 pipe into curl http slash. You own limpies.sh? That's hilarious. Let's just try that. Yeah. This is a weird one. Doesn't look like it's... I mean, presumably it must be command injection of some kind. Oh, we didn't try Otis with the FTP. Login failed. Never mind. One thing we could try is... we have anonymous access to FTP, but it doesn't do anything. One thing we could try is using the PHP sets ID with GoBuster. Oh, actually, yeah, maybe doing... maybe there's SQL injection. We could try doing SQL injection of this name parameter. Monitoring, yeah, is another use of the like monitor app, but the problem is like, I mean, unless we try and brute force their password, but I don't see why that would work. Yeah, okay, I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's grab this and put it into SQL map. So modify.http. Paste. Maybe I'll copy it again. Okay, name v3 dash r modify dash p name threads equals 10. We'll do level equals 5, risk equals 3. What else? We don't know what it's using as a backend, so we can't do anything there really. We need the cookie though. SQL map dash hh grep cookie. Cookie. So dash dash cookie. Oh no, we don't need the cookie. We already have it. It's in the file. Alright, we'll leave that running. See what the fuck happens there. There's just so much it could be. It could still be some weird command injection. In fact, I don't like how it's... Why doesn't this have a last checked? Because if I do like test 2 and do something like this, right, it does have a last checked, I think. Let's just do this again then. Yeah, so this one got checked. I just want to see if this does anything. Because that would demonstrate something at least. Have we put method on these modify buttons? I mean, the modify, like, it just goes to a page and then you save it. Like, it's just a post request. So I don't understand what you mean by a put method on the modify button.
Mr. Streamer!
Have you checked this? Yeah, it's Al's voice. He's my hey listen. Al has Navi from the Adventures of the Link, and I have Al. I stole it from one of his YouTube videos. Adventures of Zelda. Sorry. It's Ocarina of Time. It's a game named after the person who's not a main character. Yeah, we checked the CV in the Squirrel Mail. I'll let you on a secret. I didn't grow up playing Zelda. Yes, I know it's The Legend of Zelda. I know a bunch of the games. Was that in the footer? I don't know if there's anything in the footer. I don't think there's anything with footer. Alright, the Adventures of Zelda, yeah. Isn't there an Adventures of something? It is the Adventure of Link. Zelda 2, the Adventure of Link. That's literally the name of one of the games. So take that. I know at least one of them. Yeah, I don't know what the... No, Navi is from Ocarina of Time. I know that. Ocarina of Time is the one Zelda game I have played. It's also like one of the best, so I hear. I mean, yeah, I'll take a hint. Someone was offering a hint. I feel like we're on the right track. No. Yeah, this stage I'll take a hint just because we don't have. No, I guess we got 2 hours left on the box, so it'll have to be just a small hint, I guess. Because right now it's like there's so much stuff to try. I feel like this monitoring app has to have something to do with it, but like I could waste like a good half an hour trying a bunch of stuff in here. And interestingly, the curl for this test 3 did get checked, but not this one. But we still didn't get anything. We have things we have tried. We've tried the squirrel mail exploit, and that doesn't work because apparently we just can't attach files. Like even if I was to add this file, right, it says could not move copy file. Smarty from Pale. So it is Smarty. I was on the right track. Okay, I'm happy to know that I was on the right track. Let's say that. Okay, there is a stink bug crawling on the camera. Hang on. There we go. I'm gonna kill it. What a place for a stink bug to crawl. That's gonna be clip that someone. Right, server-side template injection. Alright, let's try this. So, I guess we can just... We can't actually delete these, can we? Which is annoying. But I guess what we can do is just replace them with 127001 and then it'll all be up. And then they won't get emailed to us. I just want to make sure we don't get spammed with emails. Save that one. Save this one. Alright. And this one will do the Smarty template injection, hopefully. So hopefully this will be the last of these. Good, I want to watch that clip. Thank you, Misty's. Where's my other browser? I don't think you got him crawling across the camera. Might have been too early. All right, we'll just clip it later. All right, Smarty version isn't it? We tried this before. I guess we could try this one. You know what? We'll just add the others as well. Actually, this is the same. What we'll do with this one is we'll just replace the PHP code with something nice. Actually, wait a minute. Write internal file. So this just writes a... Okay, that writes a file, maybe. I guess I just hope this one works. No. Okay, I guess we have to try this one, whatever it is. I guess let's just try it. See what happens. Well, there's a... I guess there's technically an XSS in here. Come on. Okay. But the other's gonna go. Well, I guess we'll do the battle. We've already tried escaping out of the command. That was what the first bit was, with all the redirects and the $ parentheses. That was an easy battle. Jeez. Well done, Eddie Smithy. Okay. All right. Scroll. I mean, it doesn't look like this one is even executing. Let's do this. Okay. Well, someone said this would work. The only thing we haven't tried is, I guess, technically, I'm pretty sure we did this. Actually, I know what we could do with this one, though. Well, firstly, let me try and fix it, I guess. It's fine. No. So the only thing we could do is this one again, but only in the name field, and then do that. Oh, we have the same identical name. Let's try that. So again, this one isn't working. That one isn't working. Neither is this one. Yeah, I mean, these are the only ones I can see. Guess I could just Google Smarty template injection. Try and find some other ones. Maybe Hacktrix has one. Maybe it's on SSTI. I mean, that's what we're trying. This is what we've been trying for the last 15 minutes. A blind one. Oh, right. So you're... Yeah. Good point. Okay. Right. Yeah. No, you... Good idea. Wasn't even thinking. So let's try curl again towards I'm gonna cancel this. So towards our web server. We'll do this. I was kind of expecting it to we'll do 10 10 10 10, so this should work. Yeah. Okay. So I was thinking the template got passed when it was generating an email. Okay, hang on that. We didn't even get a curl. So that should have curled. RIP address. It did not. I guess the only other thing we could try is putting it the same thing in the IP field. Maybe. Oh, what's that? SSTI. You know, we could ping. Let's Let's ping instead. C4. I mean, curl's generally on the box, to be honest with you. Okay, let's use Wireshark. IP, there we go. So again, we're just going to generate, actually, yeah. Okay, so, ping C space 4 just in case. Exactly, if kill isn't on the box, I'm totally 100% getting scammed. Oh, actually, I should have done it in here as well. Okay, so this was just the HTTP request. We're going to wait until 7:44, and if we don't see pings, we'll move the payload again. But ping, I mean, yeah, ping should definitely. Considering, actually, it should work considering we know ping must be on the box, because that's how it does the detection. Did that work already? I think it did. Cool. SSTI is down. Okay, so it did do it, but did we get any? Okay, we didn't get any non-HTTP traffic. So now what we'll do is we'll change this one. And we'll just do this again. And I'll just do 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so we're going to wait until 7:46. Hopefully see a ping. You don't see anything. Yeah. Does the error page give you more? What error page? Like literally like maybe try that, I guess. Paid boxes aren't okay to stream. These are the free boxes. The problem... Like, the problem is that we've tried injecting everywhere. Oh, just the error? Yeah, so the error was when we do... Like, we do this. And it just says error. It's just the name field. Okay. Smarty 307. Like libertarian developer, where are you like getting that from? 35343. Exploit DP. Oops. Yeah, it is. So the question is this... I guess we'll have a look at the source, because this is useless. I don't know whether we're supposed to inject this entire thing, or just this bit. Great. Is there a CVE? Nope. I'm guessing we have to do the whole thing. But the question then becomes how. Right. Can we include remote files? Is this what it's saying? I guess we could try it. We've got so many... I wish there was... The only thing I hate about this box is I wish there was a way to delete these. Because we just have a stupid ton of them now. Alright, let's try this. And we're gonna try HTTP. Let's just, try that, I guess. Try it there for now. So it's 7:51. Did you ever try default? We didn't. I know. There's so many apps. Come on. I just keep forgetting all the apps. No, okay. Luckily, not the password unless it's root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I mean, we're not. Oh, I'm gonna close this before it crashes my box again. Okay, so we got nothing. So the only thing we can try now, modify this. That's weird, where'd it go to? I guess just call it test and then do this. Okay, no, you see, it didn't even... Oh my goodness. This app is shit. Okay, I'll do that in a second. No, that didn't work either. Probably because I've already got one called test, right? Test 3. Okay, here we go. Right. So it's 7:53. Otis, nothing. Oh my god. Why would Otis and no password work? But he doesn't have access to anything anyway. But can we do like load file or something? Select all from load file, right? What am I doing? What's the frickin' MySQL load file? Is it just load file? I think it is just load file. I guess not. What? Oh, select all load. Oh, that's weird. No. I'm gonna do ports. We go. Yeah, we'll look into exploits for PHP first. I just want to see if we can do anything with the SQL injection. Where's the cheat sheet? There we go. Oh wait, this doesn't have. No, there is just load file. So I guess load file doesn't work on this. Apparently not. Okay, what's the version? .502. Yeah. Search exploit phpMyAdmin. .502. I don't know this one. But someone was saying there was freaking like I don't know who to believe now because people are saying the vulnerability was SSTI, so we spent an hour doing that. So are we just going down a rabbit hole now? Frustration achieved, exactly, yes. We've been frustrated with this box for a while now, and I don't know how long we actually have left on this. Well, yeah, so we've got an hour, less than an hour left. I mean, whose hint is actually correct? Because I don't want to waste any time exploring phpMyAdmin if we were literally correct with the SSTI, except none of the SSTI stuff seems to work, and we've just filled this thing full of crap. Unless we can we do like a write out? I wonder if we have write access. So select one into out file, right? So since I've done the MySQL into out file. Blah, 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 blah. Test.php. Go. Access to that. It is so it's SSTI, but I have no idea how. Try and do this. Press 4. I thought you said you'd done this one. Oh, hang on. Test 4. Yeah, this is the really annoying thing, is that it's just not working.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together
Test
in
5.
perfect harmony until one day
27001.
This is Phoenix.
Okay, this one is not working because wait a minute, wait. You just said it was SSTI injection, and now you're telling me to use the SQL.txt file. What is it? Is it SQL injection or SSTI? Because they're completely different. And yeah, I mean, we literally tried doing SQLi here in the name field. We even ran this. I mean, at least we know it's MySQL, so I guess we can just try it again. Okay, let's do this. Yep. Oh, right, exactly. Like, there is a difference between them. Come on, set paste. Okay, so hang on. I'll try that. I thought we tried that payload, to be honest with you. Yeah, we did. That one doesn't work. All right, let's just fire SQL map at this. DBMS equals MySQL, presumably. But like, yeah, if it is, if it is injection, then it's definitely kind of confusing. Because I'm just trying to, maybe it's that. Oh, it can't be that because that needs to be encoded. Percentage 23, I think. Yeah, but that doesn't work. I just hope SQL map finds it. The name field? Yeah, we've got the name field. I guess the question is it the name field on the modify, or is it the name field when we're submitting something? I guess we could try both. We go to add. Try like just that. Well, that didn't work. A name field when generating the email? What? Oh, so it's a stored. Oh my god, it's a second order SQL injection? That's even worse. So. Alright then, hang on. Oh, that's so bad. Alright, we're gonna have to freaking.
Incoming raid.
Jabez, thank you for the raid. How was your stream? Test 6. I'm just gonna try and fix all this crap. If it's a second order SQL injection, that's gonna be nightmarish. This we're gonna do 7001. This is just so we don't get a stupid amount of emails. You were doing Portsfigure Web Academy with Zap? Oh, that doesn't sound fun, my friend. Test 3 we can move to do. Alright, and the problem is with this one we can't. Let's do this. Come on. I'm just trying to fucking load this thing and get all these done. Don't want that. Okay, that work? The battle is ready, okay. What the hell? Okay, I just. What? Okay, test 8 and 12700. Whatever. I'm just trying to get rid of all this crap. Original name. Right, hang on. I've got that. There we go. Okay, please tell me. Alright, that got most of them. 9. Sorry about this. I should have been more diligent with all of this. Okay, so this is saying, okay, so we could just do it. Something like that. Where'd it go? Alright, can I just frickin' delete all the frickin' yeah, it's only something exactly if it's down. That's why I only have the so my example, which oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. Right, hang on a minute. All right, so if I do a apostrophe and then 10 10 10 10 apostrophe, please tell me that works. Yes. All right, so all these should be okay. I really hope we don't run out of time on this box. Come on, where'd it go? Alright, so most of these are going to not send an email, which is great. The only two that are these two. We could just have to ignore this one. But this one should be down because 10 10 10 10 is down. But it doesn't seem to be sending me an email. Which means if it's not sending me an email, maybe it's actually working. So if we do a or 1 equals 1 dash dash, try that. I guess we could try the other one with the quotes as well. And then do 10 10 10 10. I guess we could also just add it to the oh my god, why is if this would be much better if it didn't have this stupid if it encoded this properly. Of course that doesn't work. Okay, alright. Well, hang on a minute, because this isn't working either, because... Oh my god. You see, it's not even working in here because of the stupid... Okay, let me add another one. Or... A equals A. And then the IP address, that. And now we can't ever modify this again because it's ridiculous. Alright, let's try. We'll wait until 8:14, I guess, and see what happens. So what's happening? Second order SQL injection is a fucking nightmare. Effectively, your regular SQL injection, you are entering your injection, and it's immediately being sent to the database, and then you're seeing the response, right? Second order is where you store your injection in the database, right? It makes its way into the database, and then it's fetched at a later date. Oh my god, was I not sorting by date? Oh, that's so annoying. No, it was. Unless this is the one here. Alright. That's okay, so that was. There we go. No. Yes. Okay. Let's literally return to all of them. Alright, that's what we wanted. Great. So we have to, oh my god, this is SQL injection where we're only capable of seeing the result or request every minute. And it's blind. So I guess we could do a union. How many things is it? I'm gonna assume there's 4 things, and we can inject into this. So we'll try null at version null. Oh, sorry, select. And then just do I should just be able to do this, I think. Alright, so I'm gonna try and get to this, because this is really annoying. We should be able to do this. Okay, we did get to that. So, copy URL. There we go. Alright. Test. Mystique, I wish I could, but we let me solve it afterwards. Okay. This one. Is that not? That is a plus, right? I'm just trying to get rid of all the crap. We should have a new email. Okay, that's not the one we wanted. That's not the one we wanted. Yes! Look at that, chat. Okay, so can we just load a file now? Before this freaking box runs out. Okay, so question is, can we load this file? Probably not. I hate this. Alright, hang on a minute. This box would be much better if it actually worked. All they needed to do was URL encode. That's all they needed to do. Why did that not work? Copy URL. Modify. Okay, so now we want to do load file. Load file. Let's see password. Save. Let's see passwords there. This union null is still active apparently somehow. At this rate, I don't really care. Oh my god, yeah. Well, at least we're showing second order SQL injection. I just question how you're even supposed to discover this, and like, this is something that you would honestly rarely find even on a web app assessment, because second order SQL injection is extremely difficult to check because you don't have any evidence that it's being used.
Incoming raid.
Cyber Viking UK, thank you for the raid. How was your stream? I just hope we get something back. Okay. Not that one. Not that one. This one? Nope. Why did that not work? Oh my god, because I set the IP address. I'm a fucking moron. I set the IP address to something that was up. Ah. Hang on. Jesus. Okay. It would help if I set it to something that didn't work. It still didn't. God, this box is pissing me off. The stupid thing is, this is a great box, other than for the fact that you cannot properly edit your thing. Oh my god, and I can't overwrite it because great. Yep. Okay, I'm just going to change that A to a B. Okay, there we get a payload. It's really annoying. All right, let's check the. All right, while we're doing that, I wonder if I can just get rid of this one. See, the only way I can change it is by going in here, properly URL encoding it, copying the URL, and then loading it here. And then I can finally edit the thing. Okay, let's see if this worked. Yes! What's the Docker container? Otis has no login. Nicholas has bin bash. Elliot has. Okay, so we'll try their SSH keys. So again, we'll just, I guess, go to this one, paste it here, we'll encode it, copy URL. So we want to grab. We'll try Nicholas. Home Nicholas. Oops. Cancel that. This box could just die at any moment as well. .ssh ID RSA. Yep. Do that. Oh no, that's not going to work. Okay, there we go. That'll work. At this stage, I just don't care. I'm gonna freaking. It was Elliot, yeah. Elliot. 10, 10, 10, 10. So we just need to remember it's. We need to get it something that actually fails. And then we need to check all of these. Is there like a next? There is, okay. Okay, so there's no Nicholas. So like this one I think was, yeah. We couldn't grab Nicholas's SSH key. So our only hope is that maybe there's a if we can't grab Elliot's SSH key, I guess we can try writing. Okay, so let's do next. Did I? Oh, okay, it's previous. Next. Okay, so I guess we can just try writing out a file. And again, I don't know how long we have left in this box. Stop. Go away. Probably not long. So we'll do that into out file var dub cmd.php. Oh my god, why did that submit? I didn't even click. Well, that's... I'm gonna have to freaking do this again. I didn't even finish writing. Oh my god. Copy the freaking URL. Oh, it's still a fucking error. What's the error? Okay. Forget it. We're just gonna do it again. I guess, yeah, it didn't even freaking save my payload. Lovely. I'm gonna copy it out of something. Where was the last post? Oh, forget it. Alright, I'm just gonna have to type it out again. Alright, come on. It's good. Into out file var www cmd.php and like that. And we need to put 10. Okay, that. This one should work. I'm just really just hoping this is gonna work. We may get shell, we may not get root. It looked like it was a Docker container. Okay, here we go. So it's slowly going through. It didn't seem to even execute the other one. Zero equals ID. Come on, why didn't you execute? That's the right syntax, at least it should be. Says it's down. It could be. It's possible it's not in var dub dub dub. Oh, hang on. Previous. Okay, it's possible it's in. I'm just gonna copy it again. Come on, add new. We'll put that first so we don't fuck that up. It's possible it would be in var dub 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 HTML. That's definitely the way it's done, I think. Hang on, I'm just going to check the syntax because I'm going crazy now. Oh. Yeah, into out file. That's it. I just don't like the fact that we're not getting an email about it. Which means either we're supposed to do this box by doing SQL injection and extracting some values from the database, which is insane, and we're just not going to have enough time to do that. We may have to come back to this box another day. If we're supposed to do second order SQL injection. I mean, you have to wait a minute between every single freaking injection. And that's if it works. I guess we could try looking at the... Try and get the... what am I talking about? MySQL database simulation. This database. Alright, let's try this, I guess. Actually, hang on. MySQL union injection. Databases. Come on. Doing this manually is a pain. I can't remember how to do the. Here we go. I guess this group concat. Yeah, we'll try this. Yeah. From this. Okay. Yeah. Make a note of that. Okay, so hopefully now. So in the next batch, hopefully then, okay, so in this bit we should get, let's go previous. Okay. Host logs users. Okay. So now we can do group from cat column name. All right, we're making progress. So I need to basically copy this entire thing, add new. Okay. So now, yeah, we want the column names from information schema.col. Yes, we can just do this. From where tables can use database and table name equals users. Save. Right, so that was the. Alright, so we just need to wait until 8:37. We are slowly getting there. If they only just done a freaking delete button, this wouldn't be such a pain. But I'm guessing this is what we have to do. We have to extract the users, and then there'll be some passwords, presumably. Alright, so we've got group concat, but we probably want yeah, group concat, blah blah blah. Alright. It's gonna be the last one. Or not. Username, password, email. Okay. We're so close. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna add another freaking thing to monitor. But this time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do user. What was it? Username, password, email. Password, email from users. That should be it. Save. Yep, that should do it. So it's probably not in this one. It's going to be in the next one. Well, I guess it could be here. Come on. 8:39. Oh, we have a battle ready. I kind of want. We'll do the battle after this. All right. I just turned 39. Where are my emails? Here we go. Look at that. Okay. So, I should put this in my proper notes. Hang on. Credentials. Here we go. I haven't been taking really good notes only because this has been ridiculous. Okay, so we got admin, and that's their password hash. Oh god, I didn't separate them. But I'm guessing admin at is the email, and we've got Nicholas, and we've got his password hash. Nicholas, there we go. And then we've got Otis, and his one. And then... Okay. So let's plug these in a... Oops. Copy it quickly into a file. Hashes. Obviously delete all the nonsense. Will John recognize these? Ah, come on. Word list, user. Word list sprocket. Yeah. We can do a double check and see what's that hash. That's a good site. Name that hash, that's it. Bcrypt. So we just need to make sure we do format bcrypt. Should probably have known it was bcrypt. I'm guess. Well, we know whose password that was. Come on. Oh wait, why is it using that? What's the... I thought W was the word list, that's why. No, proceeding with word list, why? What am I doing wrong, chat? Dash with this? Nope. Proceeding with wordless this instead. What? Let's just see how I did it time before that. Wordless equals, that's probably why. Requires an equals because it's not like any other freaking thing. That worked. Come on. I mean, it's going to be Nicholas, right? It's got to be Nicholas's password. Ah. And here's ended with Kiwi. Check. Well, this is going to take a while, apparently. I really hope they don't kill the box. It's still running. Ah, come on. And the stupid thing is they're salted, so it's not like we can run. It's not like we can just pass into an online cracker. They're not getting cached. Anyone want to read a walkthrough for this box and just tell me what Nicholas's password is? Because, or even if that's what we're supposed to get, instead of for me waiting for John. The box is Insanity Hosting on Proving Grounds. We might as well do Stream Raiders while we're at it. But if somebody could look that up, I don't want to get spoiled and anything else. I just want to skip the freaking cracking part. Yeah, well, we've got the hashes. Like, just not these. Oh my god, seriously? Oh boy. Well, so I guess there's a... Yeah, okay, well... Oh, I really hate this box. Well, where were the tables? There was hosts, log, and users. So I guess we can try for the log. I guess we have to do this. Add new and log. Hopefully it's not in another day space, because then we'd have to do some more enumeration. Alright. I'm guessing this doesn't have it either. Okay, what we do? Another battle. I feel like I should remake this box and actually make it work, because it's a really good box. just needs some tweaking here and there. It would be nice to have a little clue about the SQL injection. Okay, let's try these. Next. User state of log. No, there's no freaking password in this one, I guess. So it's another database, presumably. I prefer if you didn't spoil it, like the. Is it another database instead of a table? Is that what we're saying? Because that's fine. We can just enumerate the databases. Union injection, enum databases. Yeah, I figured. Oh, it's in the MySQL, so it's in the actual. It's in the actual users database. MySQL users. I presume. I'm on the same page again. It's a ridiculous tease, yeah. MySQL users, so yeah. I forget what MySQL users table. Well, at least we know the stuff here. User and password. Okay, so MySQL user. All right, let's try this before the box goes down again. Maybe. Add new. What was it? User and password. User password. From MySQL.use. Just the user table. It's a weird name for a table. I think that should work. And again, we'll go back to squirrel mail. We'll read that one. Oh, we may have. Did we catch it in time? I don't know. I don't think we did. Thanks for stopping by, Hat and Dog. Oh, this has been an interesting box. Okay. Should be able to get. It's the weird thing is this, they're never in order. It's annoying. Oh, there we go. I don't know if this is. Authentication string? Are you freaking kidding me? Did I not? Oh, great. Yeah, this box is. This box is crazy. Okay. Navigation screen. Save that and see. Did we catch it in time? I don't think we did. Okay. So basically, yeah, you're doing effectively super blind SQL injection. And not only that, you have to extract. You can only view the results of your SQL injection every minute. And realistically, it's every 2 minutes because you spend that minute, you don't catch the next one. Alright, let's try this. Yeah. I'm guessing this is it. Sharp one. Well, why don't we just grab them all? Separate every and then we'll do all these. Well, these are all the same. No, yes. So I guess we'll just crack these two. Cancel. Vim MySQL.hash. And then John, word list format. I think it's SHA-1. It should be raw. SHA-1, I think. Nope. What is it? Oh, no. SHA-1. MySQL hash. Amos. No? No, that's not it. Well, I guess I'll just search for it on Google. Or not. I don't know what this is. Okay. I mean, this is apparently SHA-1, but I don't see. Is Crack Station gonna help? I think it supports SHA-1, yeah. Elliot123. Okay. Quickly, can we SSH into the box as Elliot? We can.
I'm in.
Wow. SSH. Elliot. That was ridiculous. Alright, I don't know how this box is still up, but we'll keep going. We'll grab his local. Okay, let's see how easy the frickin' submit flag, right? Let's just do sudo. Was it Elliot 123? Okay, we can't run Sudo. Can you go into? You can't CD into any of these. Resume. Yeah. Okay. Suids. Let's find some issue IDs. I don't see any. Maybe user helper? I don't know what user helper is, to be honest with you. Okay. I guess we can try. Oops. Well, there's stuff in here. 17. What? Oh, is this a? This might be a jail. Actually, no. Wait a minute. Did I say there was a Docker? There was a Docker root. I guess we just run. We should just run these. Which W? Chmod plus X. MPs. Dash T. Depending on when this box was built, the PwnKit vulnerabilities, though maybe not. I don't know. If we don't finish it today, we'll do it another day. We'll do it next week or something. Really, my goal for today was just to get a shell on this box, because yeah, turned out to be a pain. .local bin, okay. Dirty cow, I don't know. We'll just keep scrolling. There's something running on port 9000, which should be interesting. I guess we could technically do that now. Dash R, I think, right? I think it's local, I think. Dash L. Right, yeah. So SSH Dash L 9000 127001 9000. Three. Dash PN. There's a bunch of stuff. We could try this. What is it? Oh, you're gonna be freaking kidding me. Copy. Ah, it's just slow. Alright, well, yeah, we'll just look for credentials in this. Probably settings. Config. I'm going to try just suing to root. We could probably try suing to the monitoring user, right? Monitor. Oops. Admin. Am I even pasting the right password here? Yeah. Try Nicholas. Nicholas doesn't exist. Oh, Nicholas. And finally, Otis. Well, I suppose we could just go hunting for other. Sign. Yeah. Grep. Dash R. Password. Oh boy. And I want to grep bash the .js. No, that's. Come on. Oh, that's annoying. What was this file? This looks like. Oh, it's CSS. This is better. So we'll do that and plug that into less. And I guess I can now do case insensitive. Right. Is that it? No, okay. PHP admin shouldn't have anything exposed. To be honest, none of the vendor stuff should. Same with Actually, this is all PHP still. Oh, okay. Webmail, maybe. Oh boy. I guess name config. Okay, monitoring the code. Webmail, maybe. Oops. What else we got here? This definitely looks like it's going to be a multi-day affair, I think. Also relabel, I guess we can check that out. It's got nothing in it. Found that password. I mean, I guess so. Let's try logging in to PHPMyAdmin with this. Will that log out? No, where's log out? Oh, it is. So this was the root password, I believe. Yeah. But it looks like there's only. Yeah, like this is no new information. We already had all this. Unless we can crack these. Unless these are crackable. Because if they're crackable, we could get to Nicholas, right? Or admin. But I mean, I guess we could just keep trying cracking them. Right. John. We'll just keep cracking. Yeah, I really much doubt it's PwnKit. I'm gonna run it again. I'm gonna do T-A into limpys.txt. And what we can probably try, I mean, let's just try visiting the 9000 port, I guess, as well. 9000, which is apparently not a website. The other thing we could do is like use PSpy. So yeah, well we still got a shell. wget. Oops. No. I presume this is a Linux 64-bit. It is. Rivesk PSpy 64. chmod plus xp spy. Alright, we'll see what runs every whatever. If it's just a CVE exploit, I'm going to be very disappointed because this box had so much potential with the SQL injection that if they just throw it all away at the end. They cracked. Oh, because there was a lot of stuff runs every minute. Right, because there was technically there was a freaking .mozilla. Yes. I guess just. Where's Firefox's password thing stored? .mozilla. Huh. I guess it's in the profile. Yeah, so maybe in this one. There, it's keyboard DB. Okay. SQLite database. No SQLite, but presumably we can just download this. e.g. InsanityHosting, SSH, SCP. Is it key4.db? Yeah, SQLite 3 key4 database. This Python script will delete. Oh, logins.json. Is this in here as well? Okay, logins.json. Right, so we'll download that as well. Alright, so let's just download this Python script apparently. So we'll apparently decrypt them. So I've never actually decrypted these before. At least there's a help. There is a help menu. So format is JSON. Can I just pass it? Oh, I guess I just need to download his entire JSON. Okay, right, hang on a minute. Let's do tar dash cvf moz.tv.mozilla. This is much easier. SCP. Moz.tbd. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So there, you just pass it the profile folder, I guess. Okay. Tar, Moz, extraction. There, it should be in. Is it just extracted? It has. Good. Okay. Python 3. .mozilla. I think we need the Firefox, right? Yep. I guess we'll try that one. No. But there isn't a. No, there's not even no net state. There wasn't even a. There is. Ooh. Okay, let's exit out of this one. Come on. 10,000. 10,000. And then we'll go to HTTPS, localhost 10,000. It's a webmin. Perfect. I need the password. Where's the password? There it is. So presumably is webmin running? Webmin's running as root. Excellent. Come on. Ah, I had the apostrophe in. Nice. Schedule cron jobs. So just a way of running yeah, I think we can just schedule the cron job then. Execute as root, please. Ah, here we go. In dash. When to execute. Times and dates selected below. Yeah, all minutes. I think it should work. Oh, you think it should? Yeah, maybe it will work on root as well then. It does.
We are in.
I want to see if my cron job executes, because that would be another way of doing it. We actually finished the box somehow. Um, there we go. Root bash is there anyway. So even if we hadn't tried that, which they honestly they should have done, like we just do root bash -p, and that would root again. So yeah, they shouldn't. That box is like passive reuse all over the place. To be fair, I kind of cheated a bit with the Mozilla hint. I guess I really should have noticed that the first time I read it. But as soon as someone mentioned Mozilla, I was like, okay, well, yeah, let's just find the passwords and crack them. Okay, somebody wanted a Rubik's Cube solved like an hour ago, but we'll do that. Any questions about that box? Okay, I'm gonna turn away and scramble the thing. That was definitely a hard box. Got scrambled enough. Okay. Let's solve the damn thing. So you wanna be my enemy. You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins. Won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane. I hate when it slips. Yeah, I do apologize. Almost done. There we go. Alright. No questions about that box? Which decade did Rubik's Cubes come out? I have no idea. It was a long time ago. I think it was the 80s. SQLI should scare you. What should even more scare you is second order SQLI. Like Jesus. Alright, we have a Stream Raiders battle. We'll do a marble run because that'll be fun. And then we'll find someone to raid. This is a huge battle. Honestly, I don't think like second order SQL injection is difficult to find even in like a pen test. I don't think it should be the basis of a box unless you like hint towards it. Like the chances of us finding that were like without hints is extremely slim. But especially on a time limit. Like, I guess what you're supposed to do is just spam the freaking thing with payloads and see what happens. But like, even the ones which, like the regular, like just entering a single quote. But Misty's and particle. Even the ones with a single quote, they still, I think they still sent an email with content. Alright. Let's do marbles. We didn't have to spin the wheel at all today. This is a test now. Sure. Rusty Remnant. So if those of you don't know how to play, you just type !play in chat. I will also do it. And you don't have to control everything. Everything is done for us. I'm surprised the box is still up. I also want to know what's taking my CPU. Ah, John, right. John's still cracking. Alright, we'll give you 60 seconds if you want to play. But, yeah, honestly, that box, I clearly have mixed feelings about. Second order SQLI is definitely worth knowing and playing around with. However, that box just didn't give enough. Even for a hard box. I would have expected at least some kind of clue, I guess. And the fact that there were like 4 different web apps with users and you literally had to guess. You pretty much had to... I mean, I guessed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 literally just by chance. There wasn't anything... Like, I could have just completely missed that for like an hour. Alright, here we go. Who's gonna be the first down? Hazy Cracker is out. A few people going around the long way, look. We'll follow Hazy.
Mr. Streamer!
Can't see the leaderboard. Oh, okay. I'll have to move my cam for this. I'll move my camera to the bottom right after the stream. Actually, no, I can do it now. Maybe can I? Nope, I can't do it now. Okay. Hazy Cracker's been in the lead pretty much the entire way. But now I guess there's a kind of a random thing. Oh, look at me. Oh. Eddie's in the lead now. You'll get past this though. Oh, look at that, I made it through. Come on. It's not rigged, it's like the first time I've won this game. Even on Gar's streams. And I'm not gonna win it. Something's gonna happen right at the end, isn't it? Even though I have a massive lead right now. Yeah, there you go, see? Practically all my speed gone. Although I do get a boost here, which is nice. Where's Hazy Cracker? Oh! So this is slow too. This is a long one. We're still gonna make it past this thing. Slowed me down a lot. Oh, Hazy is coming in. Is he gonna steal? No. Yay me. Alright, let's see how everyone else. Well, who is that? Misty's. Ripen Avocado is coming in for 4, followed by Fraggle. Eddie Schmeddy, Nefarious, and Bono's Tech. That's, I think, it. Who's going to be last? Looks like Nefarious got trapped there. Bono's Tech. Yeah. But it looks like Maximo and J.Info did not finish, so they got killed at some point. All right, let me try and do this now. Actually, so where's my webcam thing? Here we go. No, hang on. I need to go over a bit. Down a bit, I think. That might be good. All right, we'll try that next time. All right, any questions before we sign off? Let's find somebody to. Find someone to raise. Sorry. Have you ever built a cracking box? I have not. Doesn't look like anyone's on. It's a shame. See if any of my regular subscriptions are on. No, everybody's offline. Anyone have a recommendation for someone to raid? Bob Ross. Do you have his Twitch username? Top Gear TV. I do love Top Gear, so that might be good. Well, what's Bob Ross's Twitch? Or Science? What's Science? Science. They're not online. Is Bob Ross on there? All right. I mean, I guess we'll raid Bob Ross. Al Hazross is not here yet, but that's what we'll do. All right. Raid some Bob Ross. This target is disabled raids. Well, let's go for science streams then, I guess. I don't know what they're doing. I'm gonna figure them out though. Hang on. What are they streaming? Streaming science. Nice. Okay. Sure. Let's do that. Raid. There we go. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. That was a crazy box. We got there in the end, though. Thanks for all the help. Hopefully you learned a few things. On the screen right now, my Twitter. Please follow me on Twitter. Join the Discord server where I announce new streams, and you can also chat with the community there, and so ask questions, etc. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have been steadily releasing the videos from the last 3 months, like all the streams. I will continue doing that. So hopefully by the end of next week, everything should be out and I should be up to date. But also follow me on Twitch if you have not, and you will get a notification when I go live. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great weekend. I will see you again on Monday for Cyber Mentoring Monday. Thank you so much, everybody. All right, let's raid Science Streams.